कोरोना के बायस 2 बरस से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही थी, लेकिन अब 13 सितंबर से स्कूल दोबारा खुलने जा रहे हैं। इसी तरह पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी की नुमाइंदा तंजीम पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने बीड़ा उठाया बच्चों में स्कूल बैग्स और दीगर चीजें बतौर तोहफा देने का। इस हवाले से किया एक तकरीब का इनेकाद, जिसमें अमरीकी ऑफिशियल्स और पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के साथ साथ दीगर कम्युनिटीज और मकामी लोगों ने भरपूर शिरकत की। आज के वोसा स्पेशल में आपको बताएंगे पाकिस्तानी नौजवानों की तंजीम पायो की जानिब से मुनक्किद करदा बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम का अहवाल। तो आज का वोसा स्पेशल पायो के नाम। पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जानिब से ये 6ठा सालाना बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम था, जिसमें तमाम क्लासों के बच्चों ने शिरकत की। इवेंट में शरीक बच्चे भी काफी पुरजोश दिखाई दिए और लाइन में लगकर सलीके से अपनी अपनी बारी का इंतजार किया। स्कूल बैग और सप्लाईज भी ली। बच्चों के लिए प्लेलैंड, पॉपकॉर्न और आइसक्रीम के अलावा कई दिलचस्प मसरूफियात भी इस इवेंट का हिस्सा थी। बैक टू स्कूल इवेंट में न्यूयॉर्क में पब्लिक एडवोकेट जुमानी विलियम्स, काउंसिल वुमन फरा लोइस, न्यूयॉर्क में पाकिस्तान के नायब काउंसिल जनरल नवाब आदिल खान और दीगर ने शिरकत की। तकरीब की निजामत पायो के रूह-ए-रवां वकील अहमद ने की। पायो के बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम के शानदार इवेंट का आगाज कलाम इलाही से हुआ।
Good evening, everybody. We're gonna start our event with the name of Allah. We have to start Khalil. You're gonna pray for us. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاجتباه ربه فجعله من الصالحين. وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونك بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون وما هو إلا ذكر للعالمين. صدق الله العظيم.
इसके बाद तंजीम पायो के सदर वकील अहमद ने यक्के बाद दीगरे तमाम मेहमानों को स्टेज पर मदऊ किया ताकि वो अपने तासुरात का इजहार इवेंट में शरीक लोगों से कर सकें।
Everybody knows Jumali Williams is everything to us because he make that happen. We'll be proud of today. Muhammad Ijnab. Jumali, we cannot forget about that. We have to always acknowledge you for what you did for us. Now I would like to invite Idu Harmo. He's district leader. He's not our district leader in this neighborhood, but he makes sure we get the resource where we deserve because we serve people and he's all people well. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. It's always great to work with PAO because they do this every year. It's community-based organizations like this that fills that gap, as the public advocate says. And it's important that all of us work together. The public advocate, both council members, PAO, YPL, all of us working together to make sure that the communities are served and the kids have the adequate resources and the supplies needed to make sure that this community starts great. So I just want to keep it brief and say thank you very much, PAO, for allowing me to be a part of this back to school event, and we look forward to working with you from now in the future. Thank you.
तकरीब में शरीक काउंसिल मेंबर फरा लोइस ने पायो के बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम समेत तमाम इकदामात को सराहा।
Good evening, everyone. I'm Councilmember Farah Lewis. I represent the 45th Council District. I'm very happy to see our public advocate here with us. who is the former council member. Happy to see all of my colleagues in government and deputy council. Thank you so much for being here. I know that parents face a lot of challenges preparing their kids for the school year, especially after a year and a half of remote and hybrid learning. Preparing your kids to go back into the classrooms is a very, very important thing. There's a lot of decisions that have to be made, but I'm grateful for organizations like PIO and Metro Plus and all of the sponsors and partners that help put this together, because they're thinking about our parents, they're putting our children first to provide them with the necessary tools to get kids with a head start on a phenomenal school year that they're going to have. God willing, they have a phenomenal school year. So I want to thank you again, Joaquin, for your partnership. You and your whole team, give them a round of applause. You never slept, you never stopped, and I appreciate you and your work ethic. And you take your family along the movement. So I'm happy to always see that. And I want to thank all of my colleagues in government that are here today supporting this effort. Thank you.
अमरीकी ऑफिशियल्स का कहना था कि पायो का बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम इस बात की जमानत है कि पायो और इसकी टीम इल्म की रोशनी को फैलाने के लिए अपने हिस्से का किरदार अदा कर रही है।
Now I would like to welcome my new sister. She's gonna be soon our Muslim woman, Rita Joseph. Please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mrs. Joseph. I'm new to the family, so thank you for welcoming me. Thank you for all my colleagues in government as well, my future colleagues in government. I've been in a partnership with them for a long time, but now I'm moving into a different role as the next council member for this district. Thank you, Payo. As an educator, I can tell you firsthand how much this is going to help in the incoming year. This will fill the gap that many parents have faced during this hard time. So I thank you for doing this. This is important to my parents, to the communities that I serve as an educator, as a mom, and also as an incoming future council member. So I see the work and I will continue our partnership, and I thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
पायो की जानिब से मुनाकिदा बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम में सैकड़ों लोग शरीक हुए। पायो के रज़ाकार भी हर कदम पर लोगों की रहनुमाई के लिए मौजूद रहे। पायो के सदर वकील अहमद ने पायो के ऑफिशियल सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर तमाम वॉलंटियर्स का शुक्रिया अदा किया कि उन्होंने हफ्ते के आखिर में वक्त निकालकर हमारी मदद की। जहां वक्त है एक मुख्तसर से वक्फे का, इसके बाद आपको मिलवाएंगे इवेंट में शरीक मजीद मेहमानों से।
अमरीकी तारीख में होगा पहली बार न्यू जर्सी के योगी बेरा स्टेडियम में पाक भारत क्रिकेटर्स के दरमियान जबरदस्त टाकरा। 13 सितंबर को होगी अमेरिकन प्रीमियर लीग की इफ्तिताही तकरीब। शायकीन के लिए होगा बॉलीवुड डांस, ड्रोन शो और आतिशबाजी का शानदार मुजाहिरा। गुलकार शेरजान जुनून ग्रुप के नगमों से गरमाएंगे शायकीन का लहू। टिकटों की बुकिंग तेजी से जारी है।
You guys need to come there and support the Pakistani team.
अमेरिकन प्रीमियर लीग की वेबसाइट पर आज ही अपनी टिकट बुक करवाएं या फिर फोन नंबर 9143401127 पर राब्ता कीजिए।
में मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी की तंजीमों ने हर मुश्किल वक्त में यहाँ के बासियों की मदद की। पायो ने पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के साथ साथ दीगर कम्युनिटीज और मकामी नौजवानों को अवामी खिदमत के लिए मुतहर्रिक किया और इसी कामयाबी के साथ पायो गाहे बगाहे इवेंट्स मुनक्किद करती रहती है। बैक टू स्कूल का छठा सालाना इवेंट भी इसकी एक कड़ी है।
Assalamualaikum everybody. Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. I just want to start off by saying this is the 6th annual Back to School giveaway. 6 years. And every year it gets bigger, the lines get longer, and our work gets much more. And I want to thank everybody, thank the PIO team that's here. By working together, we've been able to accomplish so much, and going forward, we can get so much more done with the partnership from City Council, Public Advocate Office, our wonderful district leader over here, Adu Hermelin. We're going to get so much done.
न्यूयॉर्क में पब्लिक एडवोकेट जुमानी विलियम ने वकील अहमद समेत पायो की तमाम टीम का शुक्रिया अदा किया। कहा कि पायो ने हमेशा अवामी खिदमत में सफ़े अव्वल का किरदार अदा किया। जुमानी विलियम के इजहार ख्याल से पहले वकील अहमद ने इन्हें स्टेज पर मदऊ किया।
Now I would like to thank each and every one officials present over here. I will start with Jumali Williams. He's our public advocate. Please, Jumali Williams.
My name is Jumali Williams, public advocate. Very glad to be here with our Deputy Consul General, Member Farrah Lewis, we have a district leader, Edu Herman is here, and student council member Rita Joseph, and of course all of PAO, Vakil and all the officers and everyone from PAO. This is God's work that PAO is doing here, so whenever I can be here to support, I want to continue to do that. This is amazing. Making sure that our kids come back to school with all the things that they need, really important. The year that we had, sometimes people forget about the little things. The little things are actually big. So come here, get some school supplies, get some vaccine information, some masks, and things of that nature. Make sure that our community is taken care of. Unfortunately, our government has failed in a bunch of places, and it is communities like PAO that fill the gap where governments cannot provide the resources that were needed. So I'm very thankful to Vakil and organizations like PAO for filling the gap, and all the rest of us in government to try our best to make sure that community partners like that have the resources they need. Peace and blessings everyone. Love and light to everyone. Thank you.
न्यूयॉर्क में पाकिस्तान के नायब कौंसल जनरल नवाब आदिल खान ने कहा कि वकील अहमद की सरबराही में पायो की खिदमत और पायो की टीम और वॉलंटियर्स के जज्बे को देखकर फख्र होता है। वकील अहमद जैसे लोग यकीनन दाद के मुस्तहिक हैं।
Good evening everyone. Thank you very much, Mr. Vakil, for giving the Pakistan consulate an opportunity so that we can come here and support you in such a noble cause. Indeed, it's a matter of great honor and privilege for all of us, for all Pakistanis who are standing here, so that we are contributing for the well-being of the community and humanity in general. Indeed, your organization is doing a lot, and we are proud of your organization, PAO. And we are looking forward that you will definitely undertake some more, some major projects in the future as well, as we have done as the Muhammad Ali Jinawi. So best wishes from the side of my Consul General Ms. Aisha Ali. She particularly deputed me for this function, and she told me that I have to attend it today. So I'm conveying her best regards and her best wishes to the team of PAO and to Mr. Vakil particularly. Thank you very much, and we wish you all the best.
बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम में अमरीकी ऑफिशियल्स और दीगर की शिरकत पर पायो के सदर वकील अहमद ने शुक्रिया अदा किया।
Thank you for attending. Thank you, Jibran, for attending this. With your presence, give us boost. Give us like somebody acknowledge our work. That's why we invite and welcome. We are partnered with everything. From brown to high, we have partnered with everything. That's why special thank you to you. On behalf of PAO, thank you everybody for coming in and give us support. Thank you.
इख्तितामी अल्फाज में उन्होंने न सिर्फ बच्चों में तकसीम की गई सप्लाईज बारे बात की बल्कि तमाम बच्चों के लिए नेक ख्वाहिशात का इजहार भी किया।
This is our 6th annual Back to School Spy giveaway. We started with like 100 people. Now we up to like 300, 400 people. We don't know. But we make sure we arrange up to 400 to 500 people so they get supplies. We're not giving away only the book bags. We're giving away full of supplies that section needs, like hand sanitizer, masks. We have like 10 different types of hand sanitizer we have. We have pencils, we have books, we have razors, we have sharpeners, we have notebooks. We have everything when you name it. I know there's a lot of people who could afford to get this, but they don't have to be in a line to stay 1 hour, get their stuff. They're in a line because we're going through with pandemic. We don't have money, we don't have jobs, we don't have no income, we don't have any saving. So they want to make sure they got something free, they could save money to feed their family. So I thank all people coming in line and stand over here for hours and hours for their needs. Thank you so much. Now we're going to take one of the pictures and we're going to start inshallah.
पायो का मकसद नौजवानों को मौके और वसाइल तक रसाई देना है ताकि वो अमेरिका की मज़ीद तरक्की में अपने हिस्से का किरदार अदा कर सकें। आज के वोसा स्पेशल का वक्त यहाँ खत्म होता है। आइंदा किसी तकरीब के अहवाल के साथ आपकी खिदमत में दोबारा हाजिर होंगे। तब तक के लिए इजाजत दीजिए। देखते रहें वोसा टीवी।